Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. eGovPH, how to enable and disable fingerprint. So here I'll be teaching you how to enable and disable your fingerprint here at eGovPH. So if you're asking if you're using eGovPH, there's a fingerprint. What we haven't known that because eGovPH doesn't really show that much often. You just need to go to their settings. All you need to do is click on the account right here in the bottom right corner. After pressing on the account here, all you need to do is press on the settings right here. After pressing on settings there, you will see the fingerprint authentication. As you see right now, it is disabled. So all you need to do is click on it. After doing that, just turn it on, and you just need to enter your password. Now we're gonna enter a password. There you go. You have successfully turned on your fingerprint. There you go. And click on OK. So by enabling your fingerprint, the eGov will securely access and utilize your safe fingerprint data to provide you with a hassle-free and secure experience. So here, if you're gonna log in, you don't need to type in the password. You just need to put in your fingerprint. So yeah, there you go. And to disable it, just do the same thing. Go to account, then click on settings. After clicking on settings, click on fingerprint authentication, then press on that. After pressing on it, it will ask for your pin again. So we're gonna put it in our pin. There you go. After putting in our pin, this will pop up. You have successfully turned off your fingerprint. So and then we just need to click on OK. So yeah, that's about it, guys. And if you want to change your password, you can change your password right here on the top of the fingerprint. Press on that, and you need to enter your current fingerprint. Current password. Then you're gonna be able to change your password. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.